to a new video, and thank you so much for always coming back. I'm starting this video with this rice water. These are just fermented rice water that I had put, and I want to spray it on my hair. I'm just trying to treat my hair. I have always used fermented rice water to grow my hair. If you have not watched those videos, how I grew my hair long with rice water, kindly go back and watch those videos. First of all, I'm going to start with spraying water first because my hair is very dry. I will go ahead and spray some water to make it wet so that I will later spray the fermented rice water. So this is how the fermented rice looks like. I'll just go ahead and filter out the water because I'm going to use the rice water. After I was done spraying, I let it sit. I cover it with a shower cap. Then I let it sit for at least 30 minutes. But this one I let it sit for a long time because I went ahead and did my house chores. Then it was time to clean up where the rice water had poured on the floor because this thing smells really bad. I had to use some jig and omo to make the house smell fresh. And then this day was a day for me to clean my shears and also my duvet that I had soaked for the last 3 days. This was the third day. It was now time for me to wash it, and I washed it alongside with my shears. So here I'm just removing all the shears, then I'll go ahead and soak them as I wash my duvet. So as the shears were soaking, I went ahead and started washing the duvet, and this time I washed it by myself because a subscriber of mine commented on how you can press water from the duvet, because that was the hardest part for me. But after she commented on how you can do it by the laundry basket, I decided to try it out, and I really loved the method. Now I can just wash the duvet by myself and no stress on how to press the dirty water from it. Yeah, I was really happy with the method. Thank you for that person who commented on how I can do it, and thank you for always commenting your positive comments, and also helping us on how we can do our things in a better way and a simpler way. I started by washing the duvet all round the edges, because for my duvets, all my duvets, mostly they are dirty on the edges. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just move along and wash all the dirt that had not come out really well. So this is just what I'm doing, and washing it all round. Then I'll also step on it several times. So it was now time to rinse out the first dirty water that I had washed the duvet with, and I took my laundry basket, and I just noticed that it was really dirty, by the way, and I don't think that I have ever washed my laundry basket. How often do you wash yours? This is one thing that goes unnoticed. Yeah, so if you don't wash yours, I'm here to remind you, wash your laundry basket. So I was just here, I'm just putting the duvet in the laundry basket so that it can remove all the waters, and this is what the subscriber suggested, and I was really happy, and I'm really happy for that person who gave me this idea. I had never even thought about it. Same to my partner, who was the one who used to wash my duvet, our duvet, that is. We never thought of this method, and I am really grateful for that person. So here I put it on the laundry basket. It had already even started pouring out the dirty water, and I opened for clean water so that I can rinse it out. As you can see, this is what it happens when you step on it on the laundry basket. Yes, I'm really impressed. Now I'll just be washing them by myself. it was now time to rinse the duvet with the fast clean water. And by the way, it was also very light to lift up the duvet because a lot of the water was gone. Yes, so here I'm just rinsing with the fast water. So here everything was ready. My duvet was all clean and also ready to be hung on the hanging lines. And the previous day I had done some laundry and by now they had dried up, so I'll just go ahead, remove them from the hanging lines and hang my duvet and my shears. So after everything was clean and hanged and drying up, it was now time to wipe the curtain rods and the windows. This place was really dusty. I did this video before the rains had started, so that's why the place was really dusty. I said that's what I'm doing, wiping all the windows, and I will later mop the house. After I was done with wiping all the windows, it was now time to clean all the basins, then strut them at their rightful place. After that, I will go ahead and mop the floors. After that, it was time to wash my hair and also take my bath. So I'll be just rinsing off the rice water from my hair and then wash it with a shampoo. Then after washing with a shampoo and a conditioner, I will apply some leave-in conditioner, Mayan leave-in conditioner on the hair. Then I will tie it and let it sit. And let it sit for the hair to absorb the Mayan conditioner and the oils. I later went ahead and tied my hair after applying leave-in conditioner for it to, I didn't want it to dry up, that's why I tied it like that. Then I also had some work to do on the laptop, so this is after taking a bath and after doing the chores of the day. This is how I relax. I just do my work on the laptop, and this day I had some research that I was doing. So thank you for watching up to this point. Thank you so much for liking my videos, and I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Also like this video and do give out your positive comments, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much and see you.